See children, this is English class. Take out your English Term 2 textbook and keep it side maths books and social book. Okay? Please take out. Take out your Term 2 textbook, ma, English. English, Term 2 textbook. Page number 13. Page 13 open. Please open page number 13. 1-3. This one. Page 13. Take out your pencil, eraser, sharpener, everything. Get ready. Write neatly in your textbook, children. Okay. See, as you open this page number 13, D bit is there. D. See, fill in the blanks correctly with the words given in the box. One is done for you. See, in the box, some answers was given. Okay, you have to select those words and you have to write in the blank. Okay, one was already done for you. See, first one, I'm writing a poem today. See, first blank, I'm writing a poem today. Please keep your finger while I'm reading. And you also read along with me, children. It's very, very important pronunciation. Very, very important, children. Okay. See, I'm writing a poem today. You have to choose the correct verb and you have to write in the blank. I dash a story yesterday. I wrote a story yesterday. Okay, it was given already. First blank. No need to write first blank, children. Okay. Go for second one. Go for second one. Page 13. D. Second one, see. I am drawing a tree today. See, my brother dash a flower yesterday. A flower yesterday. See, already you have seen the words in the box. See, what words are there? Went, wrote, kept, made, drew. Okay? Drew. Already wrote was completed. First blank, wrote was over. Coming to second blank, I'm drawing a tree today. My brother dashed a flower as today. See here, which one we have to write here? Drawing. Which one? Yesterday it was completed, already over. Then what we have to do? What we have to select from the box, ma? What we have to write in that box? Which word we have to select and write? Check children once. See, drawing. Already means today I'm drawing a tree today. Today I'm drawing. Okay, it is today. Yesterday, my brother dashed a flower yesterday. Already it was completed. Then, which one we have to select from the box? For draw. Which one? Drew. Yes, drew. D-R-E-W, drew. Right answer, drew. Next. Write the answer drew, ma. D-R-E-W, drew, and in that box is done, no? Drew. You keep tick. It was over. Wrote also keep tick. Just to keep tick. For your convenience. Okay, no confusion. Remaining, you have to select from the remaining words and you have to select and write in the blank. Okay, for your convenience, I'm saying. Okay, no confusion. See, Nana? Third one. I'm not going to market today. I'm not going to market today. See here, down. Which blank was given again? I dash to market yesterday. See. See, these blanks you observe, first blank is for today and the second one is for yesterday. Okay. See from the box, I'm not going to market today was given. What is the second one? I dash to market yesterday. Means yesterday completed ones. Okay. Which one you have to select from that? Which one, ma? For go, which one? Going, no? Today going. Okay. Yesterday completed ones. Select from the blank box. Went. Yes, went. W-E-N-T, went. Went is there, no? You keep tick for went for your convenience. So remaining two will be there. You can select easily. Okay, no confusion for you. See. I went to market yesterday. I went. Okay, you have to write went. Fourth one. I'm keeping my books. I'm keeping my books in the bag today. See. Next one. Yesterday, I dash my pencils in the bag. See. Again, the fourth sentence is also first today and next yesterday only. Okay. See. Keeping. I'm keeping my books in the bag today. Okay. Next. Yesterday, I dashed my pencils in the bag. Okay. See. Already it was finished. So what we have to write? Select from the box. Which words are remaining still more? Kept and made. For keeping, what we have to write? What we have to write, children? Say, already it was completed. I kept, isn't it? I kept. Right, kept is the answer. Right, kept. Listen carefully, children. This is very, very important time. Okay. You have to listen the grammar part very consciously and you have to attempt properly. Okay. Today, which one? Yesterday. For today, it came as keeping. Yesterday already completed verb form. What we have to write this verb? Kept. Like that you have to analyze and you have to write in the answer. Understand? Think properly and write. I'm going to rub this 4 blanks, ma. Please write. See my children, fifth one. Today, comma, Radha. See here. Today after comma, Radha. Why here capital letter came? Radha. Middle of the sentence, capital letter won't come, no? You found the difference here? Why it came out? It's a name of a person. You are writing the capital, isn't it? Right. Radha is making tea. Today, Radha is making tea. This one is the question. Okay? This one is today's sentence. Okay? Present. See. Given sentence, down sentence. Yesterday, comma, Dev is the name of a boy. Okay. Again capital D came. Why it came? Because it's a name of a person. Name of a person we have to write with capitals now every time. Small letters we should not write now. So that D was written as capital letter D, Dev. And here Radha also same. Okay, understand the part, what I am saying. 5. Dash T. See ma, which one is remaining last one? Okay, see, made is there. See, today Radha is making tea. Making, it's today. Okay. Yesterday, Dev dash tea means made, already completed. Okay. Made. Very, very important, children. Very, very important. Next, was and were. See, was and were. See. Read the following sentences. Write 2 things that you did yesterday. Do not forget, use verbs ending with G or ED. Now see here, Raghu was sad yesterday. The shops were closed yesterday. See, was and were are used to tell about the things that have already happened. Which one is completed? Already completed ones, we can use was and were. Okay. Was used in which way and were was used in which way? See, already I have explained you. Was used with he, she. Children listen. It, I, or one name. When we'll use this was, we can use it he, she, it, I, or one name. Only one name. With only one name, we can use this was. Okay, children? Am I clear?
Shri Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj.
Where will be used with you, we, they. Children, listen carefully. Why I am explaining you is no, you can know the difference between was and were. The sentence was given, what we have to use, was or were? You'll have a confusion. So that I am comparing these two, was and were. Okay. When we use this were is used with you, we, they, or more than one name, or more than one name. See, with was we can use he, she, it, I, or one name only we have to use this. When one name was there in the sentence, then we have to use this was. Okay. See here. We'll use this verb with you. When the sentence starts with you, we'll use this verb. Coming to the words and word blanks only, I am saying, children, not has and have. Okay. You, we, they, or more than one name. 2, 3, 4, like that, more than one name, we'll use this verb. Okay? See, parents, if you take screenshot, no problem. You can take. Just for your understanding, just I compared and I told. Okay. Okay. Shall I rub the board, children? I hope that you have written. Next. In page number 13 only, A is there. First one. See here. Complete the following sentences using words or verbs. See, I told you, no? First one, the engine dash very powerful. See, the engine dash very powerful. First one. They dash playing in the park. Not park, park. That's all. You pronounce like that. They dash playing in the park. Next, third one, the cows dash very hungry. Hungry means what, children? Wanted to eat something. Okay, very hungry. If you are hungry, you'll ask your parents to keep, mommy, please give me some fruits, like that. You'll say no, that's hunger. Okay, hungry. Next, fourth one, it dash Christmas yesterday. See, children, see, these 4 blanks was given in the textbook. With was and were, we have to write this blanks. Okay. First one, see, the engine dash very powerful. Here, what you are observing in the sentence, children? Engine. You are observing the engine. It's very powerful, isn't it? Then what will come? Was or were? What will come, children? Think over. The engine was will come. It was very powerful. Means engine. So was will come in the answer. Okay, children. Next. You write very neatly in the textbook, children. No scribblings. Write neatly. Round letters you have to write. Was and were blanks very important. It will come in the exam also. Please, children. Next, second one. They dash playing in the park. Here, they is there. What you observed in the sentence, children? They dash playing in the park. They means what will come? They means what will come, children? They were playing in the park. Okay. W-E-R-E, were. Next. Third one. The cows dash very hungry. The cows. The cows were very hungry. More than one, no? So what will come? Were. The cows were very hungry. Hungry. Next. Next. See, fourth one. It dash Christmas yesterday. It dash Christmas yesterday. What will come? Was or were will come, children? You see the sentence? It. Okay, it. With it, what we can write? Was or were? Think and write. It was. It was. It was Christmas yesterday. What is the correct answer here? Okay. Write down neatly, children, in your textbook. Okay. So on the next page, page number 14, children. I hope that you have completed this was and were blank in your book. Dear parent, if you want to take screenshot, you can take. Now see, page number 14, children, open. Page 14. First one, B. See here. Complete the following conversation using was or were. See, conversation between Tina and Divya. Both are friends, so between them, conversation was going on. What the conversation was going on between them, please see. Tina, see. Hi Divya, I dashed absent yesterday. Can you tell me what did the teacher teach? Okay, this is a question. Tina is asking to Divya. See here. Hi Divya, I dash. See here in the sentence, I dash is there. I dash absent yesterday. With I, what we have to use? Was or were? I was absent. Was. You write was. The Tina ones, you write was, ma. Just I'll give a hint for you, Tina. Okay? I after was will come in the answer. Next, Divya. Divya. Did you understand, children? Was and word blanks only again for your practice. Next, Divya. Yes, of course. Why? Dash were you absent. See. Yes, of course. Why? Dash you absent. Divya was asking again. Why? Why after blank is there? Why were you absent? Why were you absent? Next. Tina. Again Tina. I dash at my granny's house. She's replying. She dash sick. See, two blanks are there in the Tina conversation again here. I dash, I after dash. I dash, I was in my granny's house. Next, in that only, she dash, she dash, she was sick. She was sick. Why Divya was absent? Why Tina was absent here? Granny was sick. Okay. Now, next again Divya. Dash you alone. Were you alone? Next. Again, Tina. Now, she's replying again. Now, I dash with my parents. I dash with my parents. Was. I after was will come. Was. My uncle and aunt dash also there. See here, what you have seen in the sentence? Uncle and aunt, both persons are there, no? So what will come there? Were will come. Uncle and aunt were. In that blank only, children. Clearly I am mentioning this. Tina, Divya and Tina, Divya. In that only. Okay. Tina, No, I was with my parents. My uncle and aunt were. This one were. Also there. Full stop now. We dash. Really worried about her. Thankfully, she is better now. Okay. Next blank. Next blank. We were. No. We were. We were. With we have to use this one. We were. We were really worried about her. Thankfully, she is better now. Okay. Please write. I'll complete this page, ma. In this last Tina only 3 blanks are there, children. Okay. Please observe and write. Divya, finally what's that? Yeah, that's good. That's good. This is a conversation between Tina and Divya. Okay? Okay, in the form of words and verb blanks it was given for your understanding. Okay? Here many times I came, many times she came, many times 2 persons came. Okay? Like that. Which one we have to usage of that words and verb? We have to think in our mind and we have to write. With she, what we have to use, with he, what we have to use, with words, with 2 persons, what we have to use, with 1 person, what we have to use, with they, what we have to use. Okay, with you, what we have to use, with I, what we have to use. Okay, this all depends on you, ma. You have to understand this. Okay, children. Now, down. See. I'm rubbing the board, children. Page number 14 only, see, children. See. Help box was given for you. See here. Juhi, listen. Once listen. Juhi, Parul, Mansi, Riya and her sister Anu went to different places during their holidays. Full stop. Their pictures are given below. Now, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using words or verb. And the words from the help box. One is done for you. In the help box, words are given for you. Dance class, beach, mountains, garden. See. First one was see the pictures here. Children, please see the picture here. Juhi dash on the mountains. Juhi was on the mountain. Now, see next. Here, dawn picture you see one. Mansi dash in the dash. See in the box, help box. Dance class. Second one, beach, mountains. Next, garden. Okay, children. These are given in the help box. Already mountains was completed for you. Okay. See, coming to the second box, what these are doing? Mansi dash in the dash. Okay. Mansi dash was in the dance class. This is our dance class. Write neatly, children. Okay. Next one. Parul dash on the dash. See the picture. Water is there here. No. Parul dash on the dash. Parul was on the beach. Beach. Next, last one. With this, I'll stop now for today. Riya and Anu dash in the dash. See here. Beach was completed. Next remaining is garden. See, Riya and Anu. Again, 2 persons are there. Then what will come here? What will come? Were. And again, in the, see here, you're looking this picture full of greenery and all. Then it's a garden. So garden. Garden. Okay, children. With this, we have completed this 14th page. Tomorrow also 15th page. Okay. Page number 15. Thank you, children. Bye.